Update time. Before I get started, I just want to say we had a lot of comments in reaction to the video I posted yesterday about Saudi Arabia threatening to sell all of its dollar-denominated assets that it holds in the United States. So you guys really got heated up, and I think we're all pretty much on the same wavelength there. You know, they can go screw themselves. Anyway, I want to talk about Japan, where, if you recall, last Monday I posted a video and I talked about dollar yen being at a bottom. At the time, I had mentioned, and actually somebody here, one of the viewers of my videos, actually informed me that the Friday prior to last Monday, he told me that Japan was going to front load its full year public works spending budget into the first half of 2016. So that was a pretty good stimulus. That was about equivalent of 110 billion US dollar stimulus. And, we already had a big decline in dollar yen. In other words, yen had been rallying very, very strongly for the last 2 months. So to me, that looked like a good opportunity to go long dollar yen. We just got that earthquake. Terrible news. I mean, Japan is still just barely recovering from the Fukushima 2011 earthquake. Now got hit with another one, and there's talk now of a supplemental budget, a new fiscal stimulus for reconstruction, cleanup, and reconstruction. So we had a huge rally in the Japanese stock market overnight, up Nikkei up nearly 600 points. I think it was the biggest one-day jump in 7 weeks or something like that, or some long period of time. Dollar yen up. By the way, speculative long yen futures contracts on the CME at the highest level in 4 years. So the speculators are long out the wazoo the yen. So that is potential firepower for a yen liquidation. Okay? And you have all that fiscal stimulus. It's positive for the Nikkei, for the Japanese stock market. And I hate to, talk about positive news based on a terrible thing like a natural disaster. But, we're traders. We're looking for opportunities, trying to make money here. So anyway, long dollar yen, Nikkei should continue to improve with these fiscal stimulus that are being put through. One last thing, there's talk also of Bank of Japan, stimulus, what the clueless media and the talking heads call stimulus, which we know monetary operations, monetary policy is not stimulus. Japan's been doing that for over 20 years with zero result. If anything, the way it's applied nowadays, that is like fiscal drag, negative interest rate. It's a tax. Okay, I've been all through this. So anyway, that's my update for today. Probably be back here again later. Fiscal stimulus in Japan. Bye-bye.